This is Trading Monk. We saw yesterday that the Bitcoin was staying in this zero Fibonacci support level, which may help us to get some good bounce back. But today we see the Bitcoin lost its zero Fibonacci support, and today's candle was formed below this zero Fibonacci support, which is now trading at $31,800. Okay, as of now, what we have to do is we have to stay quiet for a while. We should not be bullish or bearish. We have to act smart, and we have to save our money. The market may be sideways for the next 48 hours. Okay, now don't have any trades, and these doji candles always indicate the fight between the bull and bear. Continuous red and green doji candles continuously for the past week. Okay, these doji candles indicate we may have any sort of market, and we will be sideways for a while. Okay, yes. Now let's check out some lower time frame charts. Yes, this lower time frame charts clearly indicates that today market is sideways. This is a 4 hours time frame chart. Okay, this is a 4 hour time frame, and we can see 1 2 3 4 5 6. These 6 candles indicates today the market is completely sideways, and as of now it is between the 61% and 50% levels. We may see the market may go down up to the 100% Fibonacci, which is downwards, and we should not take any stance as of now. We should not take any stance. Clearly we can see that the market may be bearish or bullish. Okay, yes, these thick blue lines have drawn indicates the dynamic support levels. Okay, dynamic support or resistance levels. These dynamic support and resistance levels indicates Bitcoin's recent or latest previous low, which is $28,000 around, and the Bitcoin's peak 63,950, somewhat around $64,000. Okay, these act as the dynamic support levels as of now. Now if Bitcoin could rally above the SMA 21-day SMA smooth moving average, that is 35,000, and it have to stay above 35,000 for the next few days or few candles. If it bounces back, if it doesn't bounce back, it may again reach this 28,000, and if the Bitcoin breaks the 28,000 in the next coming days, we may see another dynamic level which is there at somewhere around $19,000 to $20,000. These $19,000, $20,000 may stay for a while if 28,000 support is broken within this 2 to 3 days. We may see anything, we may have anything. Now the market is sideways. Don't take any bullish or bearish stand. That is about to save your lives and save your money. Don't take any bullish or bearish stance. Okay, trade accordingly, and my best advice is don't trade now as of now. Okay, you can have your trades once the market decides itself. May go up, may go down, may come down, it may do anything. Okay, yes. But be cautious. Don't do bump trades, don't do pump trades. Just trade technically or fundamentally if you are satisfied. Okay, my advices are only for educational purpose. Kindly consider your financial advisor before doing any investment. Okay, I'm repeating it. Don't take any bullish or bearish stance as of now. Don't over leverage as of now. The market is completely in sideways, and it's for the past few days, and it may continue because it has broken the zero Fibonacci support in the days chart, and we may see the sideways market because bulls and bears fight each other, and we can see the sideways market for a while. See this, there is a green doji followed by a strong red source. Bulls may seem like taking over control, but it's not. This red candle forming now, that is today's candle, may have anything. It may bounce back above the zero level, or it may fall below this level. Whatever may happen, because there is a strong fight between them. They are equally powerful, bulls and bears. Okay, yes, that is the reason for the sideways market as of now. If we have to be bullish, we have to break this SMA level at $35,000, and we have to stay above this, and we can have another good bounce up to $40,000. We have to stay above this, and we may have a bull run. And if we fail to have or stand above the SMA or the 100% Fibonacci support, we may see 28,000 back in the next coming few days. Okay, we may say this 27,000, and in the next coming few days like this. Okay, it may have a bounce, or if not, it will continue to fall for a while up to $19,000. Okay friends. Okay, I thank you all for supporting my video yesterday, and I'll continue to do this. I'll educate you, I'll give awareness on cryptos continuously. Whatever you want about cryptos, trading, or anything else, you can ask in comment section. I'll make a brief educational video based on the technical and fundamental analysis of cryptos and Indian stocks. Thank you friends, I'll catch you all later. Like, share and subscribe this video if you do, and if you want anyone to be aware of this crypto or this fundamental Bitcoin reactions, you can share this video to the concerned person. Okay, thank you friends.